Dundee from Booredatwork.com, and today we'll be doing a review of the LG BP620 3D Blu-ray player. It's also a smart TV player, so it does have an LG Smart TV hub, and you can play Blu-ray movies, Wi-Fi, all that fun stuff. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open this device. Take our trusty scissors here. Just cut the edges here quickly. Both sides. There we go. Here we have contents. Opening this up, you have here owner's manual, free trial to Netflix. We got batteries in here, and yeah, manual CD, of course. Composite cables, which you don't need. Here is our remotes. Of course, we've been used to the magic remote on the LG TV. Here it is, standard remotes. You got your button layouts, your play, with your RGB buttons, music, audio, all that stuff. Lights, it's got a kind of black woodsy finish to it. And here is our Blu-ray player. Let's open this up. Put that aside. And here we are. So here is our LG 3D Blu-ray player. This is the BP620. Just bring this lower a little bit so you guys can get a better look. You've got your controls here for your eject, pause, stop, and power. This actually is the flap that opens up. Or you can hit the eject button. Sorry, at the back. It's got HDMI out, LAN, it's also Wi-Fi capable, audio out, video, so you can do a composite here, optical, and that's pretty much it. So we'll power it on, see how it works with 3D movies, all that fun stuff, and see if it, I don't think it upscales 3D for you, but it's 3D capable with 3D TV, so we'll try it out with our LM7600 TV. Alright, so we're taking a closer look at the LG Blu-ray player BP620. As you can see here with the player itself, we actually have a Blu-ray in there, and we can go to setup, digital copy, and scene selection. This is, I believe this is Super 8, and you can see it's very easy to navigate and go through. So from here, we go back home and see, you know, the main source page of our Blu-ray player. So we do have a software update which we can do. We have movies, we have photos which were in the movies, photos, we have music, premium, which leads you to your Netflix, HULU, and all that fun stuff, your LG apps and your settings. So we'll go into the settings first. And we have our display settings, shows you our resolution. We can change our wallpaper. 3D mode is on. We have 4 wallpapers we're given. So let's take this one here. Language, you can change it from, you know, to turn on subtitles if there's subtitles with this. The audio, you can set a password for your Blu-ray player. Network, we're connected to a wireless network. I can show you BD Live connections, which we have there. It's permitted. Netflix is also on there, and you also have others here for software. It's information on software and software updates. So pretty much things like that. So let's head back home. All right. So like I said, landing page is very simple. On the top row, you do have your 6 main hubs. And then below you have a search, which you can actually do a full search here. It just takes some time to load. And you also have your LG App Store. So this will actually hopefully go up, and this can actually help you search for applications, apps, and things like that. So we'll head out of that and head back to the main screen. So let's go into the different hubs. So we've seen movies, but if you go into movies properly, you have options for DVD or Blu-ray actually. USB hard drive is non-connected, so it skips. Wi-Fi direct, because you have the opportunity. And it can connect to a home server or a PC. Now these aren't fully set up, so of course there's nothing that will go there. But let's see what we have here. Videos, we have all videos. So we have a bunch of videos here. Let's see this one, wildlife. And that's the whole idea. You can connect it to your home server. This is just from a Windows PC. You can connect it to a home server, and let me just play this here. And depends on your wireless connection, of course. That dictates how how well it'll stream, if you will. So my network has been a little iffy, but when it works well. So it's not really the player is actually my network. But you can see it's playing off a computer. It's very fast. It's clean. It's sharp. You get your high def content, and so on and so forth. So let's head back. So that's pretty much with the movie section. Photos, the same thing too. You can go through all those different options to pick for photos as well as music. Now going to premium content, again, what you notice is that it does take some time to load, going from certain hubs, if you will. So you do have your Netflix, option to go to YouTube, HULU, plus MLB TV, AP. You do have Facebook, Twitter, Dailymotion, a bunch of other things. And there's a karaoke channel, so if you're a big karaoke fan, this will work out well for you. Now, as you can see, your tray below, which shows you your search, the LG Hub is there. So there's other spaces for different applications you download from the LG App Store, which you can actually load up there and put up. Now, in this segment, Netflix works well, YouTube works well, fairly efficient. Again, all has to do with your internet connection to see how fast or how well it streams. Mine, of course, has been having issues the whole day, so it's not an indication of how this works. The only indication is the load times, if you will, from going from hub to hub with the Blu-ray player itself. So we have some movies. Let's jump into the animation channel here, which we're already on, and see what we get. Albino Black Sheep on YouTube. So let's play that, look for that, see what video they have, see if we can play that. As you can see, there are controls. There's playback controls, if you will.
Hey man, what you doing?
Oh hey, I'm just putting this jigsaw.
So yeah, you hear that, just giving you just sound output off it. Works well, no issues. You can see it's streaming actually much better now because this is of course off the net. And we'll head out of here, head home. So overall, it works well. It's efficient, very smooth. I'm going to do the software update as I round this up, system, and hit OK. It says eject my disk, yes. But it works well. It's effective. For a Blu-ray player, you have the ability to connect to your home server. You can also play Blu-ray movies, connect to a BD Live, as well as also have the options of going through Netflix, Hulu, and all those different hubs. So if you're looking for a Blu-ray player that actually has more functionality with a home server or DLNA compatibility, again, you can connect your USB hard drive, and then you saw the USB option, so you can play your movies and watch your videos and listen to music off that way. Or you could do it wirelessly. This works well, and that was a very good job, and it continues the trend that LG has started with the Blu-ray players, internet connected Blu-ray players. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to all our pages on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. It's Booredatwork with 2 O's. So this is Thunder E saying thank you, and always enjoy entertainment.